Hello, everyone. Thanks again for joining us on Growing with the Gold. We're wrapping up our day here. It's been a long day in the hot sun. We finished off most of the greenhouse now, where we have our beds filled, we have our large pots filled, and we're just starting the succession planting. We're doing a kind of mix of different things in this pot, and we'll do the same in some other pots down along the way. Where we've got some peas. These are going to take off really, really fast. You've got some beets that'll come in a little behind it. We got some carrots that are going to come in. We planted some cilantro along one side, some parsley along the other, and we'll do a few marigolds right up in front. So we've got a companion planting going. Everything's there to support each other. We've got some legumes that are going to be nitrogen fixers and a nice loose soil to accept those tubers and roots from the beets and carrots. So we're really excited about this. We're going to finish this one up. We're almost done now. We've got a few things in. We're going to get these carrots and marigolds planted. And we'll catch you next time on another Growing with the Gold. Be sure to tune in to see why Royal Gold is the gold standard in gardening. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.